The ALCO boxcabs were diesel-electric switcher locomotives, otherwise known as AGEIR boxcabs as a contraction of the names of the builders. Produced by a partnership of three companies, ALCO, American Locomotive Company, built the chassis and running gear, General Electric the generator, motors and controls, and Ingersoll Rand the diesel engine. The principle of operation was the same as modern locomotives, the diesel engine driving a main generator of 600 volts DC with 4 traction motors, 1 per axle. There were 3 models, the 60-ton with a 6-cylinder 4-stroke inline engine of 300 horsepower, 220 kilowatts, of which 20 were produced, a 66-ton of which 6 were produced, and the 100-ton with 2 of the same engines of which 7 were produced. A total of 33 units were produced between 1925 and 1928. These were the first commercially successful production diesel-electric locomotives. ALCO dropped out of the arrangement in 1928, acquired their own diesel engine manufacturer AGEIR in McIntosh and Seymour, and went on to start its own line of diesel switchers. The first ALCO boxcab switcher was outshopped in January 1931. And after a brief demonstration tour was sold to J Street Connecting. The ALCO boxcab and 2 end-cab switchers built in early 1931 used the McIntosh and Seymour 330 engine. This early development of end-cab switchers led ALCO to build the HH series based on the McIntosh and Seymour 531 engine and using GE electrical components by mid-1931. The 6 surviving examples of these earliest boxcabs can be found at the B&O Railroad Museum in Baltimore, MD, CNJ number 1000, the first, the Museum of Transportation, St. Louis, Mo., B&O number 195th 8000, the North Alabama Railroad Museum in Huntsville, Alabama, Union Carbide number 311th, the Illinois Railway Museum in Union, Illinois, DLNW number 3001 IR number 91, and the Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn, MI, IR number 90. The earliest boxcabs were often termed oil-electrics to avoid the use of the German name diesel, unpopular after World War I. In fiction. In Thomas and Friends, the character Philip is based on an example of the ALCO boxcab. He is in fact modified to work on the NWR. See also. GE boxcab. The continuation of this locomotive design after ALCO participation ceased. References. The engine at North Alabama Railroad Museum in Huntsville, Alabama, Union Carbide number 311th, confirmed 20 March 2018 by visit by Mark Hilgertner, North Alabama Railroad Museum member. The engine at Museum of Transportation, St. Louis, Mo., B&O number 195th 8000, confirmed 20 March 2018 by telephone call to museum by Mark Hilgertner. The engine at Illinois Railway Museum in Union, Illinois, DLNW number 3001 IR number 91, confirmed 20 March 2018 by telephone call to museum by Mark Hilgertner. https://www.thedieselshop.us/alco-ge_boxcabs.html. The engine at Henry Ford Museum, IR number 90, confirmed 21 March 2018 by email from museum, which provided this link, https://www.thehenryford.org/collections-digital-research/digital-research/37723/#marks-light=GS-197,839. External links. ALCO GEIR boxcabs page.